Baby, this is where we came to run. This is like the pier that we ran up like 4 times. Look at how big the waves get. Like, these are the guys surfing. Look at the waves. Where do they come from? Right there, like. Oh my god, they're so big. Oh, it's about to break. And then look, this is, I guess they're bigger over here. Look at over here where they're surfing. I wish I could go surfing. I wish I knew how to do it. Isn't it pretty? Here it goes. It's cold. We came in shorts, babe. Like, we're freezing. Watch. Here's Priscilla. Here's me. So yeah, I don't know, I guess it's not the same on camera, but it's so nice. Like, it's just relaxing being here. I'm gonna miss it so much when I can't come running here, huh, Priscilla? Ooh, get it. Oh, here comes the big wave. It's a huge wave. I wonder if we can hear it in the video. Oh, damn. Oh, this one's gonna get it. This one's gonna get it. It's a big wave. And these, oh, look, it's our buddy. We've been following him. He's been following. Oh, he's gonna. Oh, I thought the bird was gonna dive in. They surf? Yeah. Damn it. Oh, wow. Alright, well, I guess that's long enough, babe. But yeah, this is where we came to run. So, just wanted to show you. Tell you that I missed you and I'm thinking about you. Oh! Did you see that guy jump over there? Dude, you missed it. Awesome. Yeah. Well, that's why there's more guys on the side surfing. So cool. Ay, no sé cómo no se congelan si yo tengo frío. Take it. Oh, man. He didn't do it.